Igbo. Igbo ekene akwa abanu nwoke Igbo culture. Omenala Igbo na adamana because I'm only Igbo. Question like question na ahụ my culture n'anya. I'll stand in my culture. Omenala Igbo. That's why I stand. And I'll start from my culture now. Umare de aka clean. Ikuba aka auto. Na ikuba aka clean. The guy culture bugom. Aya don't kill me. Aya bugom. Aya culture. Like don't worry. My fans are like it's a promise. Because one day man guy why I believe say my fans will be happy. Watch it, aya. Jiketo. Keto no sama aleku ji. No. Amango kama aye ekpe sama aleku. Just keto. Keto like keto roba. We need shizira anya akwa. Square na ishiko na rice ani guy. Who say that there's no power in culture? Who say who say that? There's no power. Man, I've been in this culture, I've been in this power now. Guy, your destiny is your destiny. Your call is your call. No matter anything. Those people self now pass on it. Oh, there's a call. See, but I don't kill me. Imagine a person here with kettle, just kettle, plastic one. We need shakwa. You people know how many means like let me say hours. Egg last like aqua year, but they did not just plastic kettle wish the aqua. And we see the video now. You watch the video and like when we say see and believe. You see by yourself, you believe that's power. But I love this man. Aya. Okay, if he give power, carry. That's power. We want to name a man. Unless I have to say. Don't worry. One day, I will see you now. I am not at this. I love my culture. So, if you can name, you know, say. Anywhere you are watching, please share the video and say your mind by a comment, like by the comments list. I love you all. Thank you very much by watching my video and we'll be sharing it.
Mmiri ọkụ asugo akwa egego ore nke anụ wee yego akwa nke a rice ka anyị na-echezi ka ọ dị mmiri ọkụ asugo confirm off mana mmiri ọkụ ya na-asụ mmiri ọkụ na-asụ hey na kedu ndị na-akpọ m ife a ke ihe mere ọ na-agba